Hey folks, Peter here. Just a quick update on the QuickBooks POS discontinuation news. I got a few pieces of information back from Intuit, but I'm still waiting for one key question to be answered, as well as a large laundry list of questions that I sent over to Shopify POS. Haven't got those back yet, so I'm just going to go through what Intuit sent me here right now and I guess call it a night. Question: what is available to existing QBPOS 19 customers until October 3rd? Existing POS customers can 1. Purchase additional seats for an existing license, basic, pro, or multi-store. 2. Purchase new hardware and supplies. 3. Add POS payments, I guess. 4. Continue to receive support. 5. Basic customers can upgrade to pro. Now, existing POS customers cannot 1. Purchase new Webgility Ecommerce plans. 2. Multi-store customers cannot add new locations. 3. Basic and pro customers cannot upgrade to multi-store. Well, here's some more questions and their answers. Question: will QuickBooks Gift Card Service continue to work with QuickBooks Point of Sale? Answer: QuickBooks Gift Card Service is being discontinued on October 3rd. No new cards will be available for purchase. Any gift card used after October 3rd would need to be manually redeemed in QuickBooks Point of Sale using the reports feature to confirm the balance on the gift card. Question: will Intuit Store Exchange still work with my QuickBooks desktop software? Answer: the Intuit Store Exchange method will no longer be available after October 3rd. Customers may be available to use any of the 4 alternative store exchange methods to exchange data between your stores. I'm going to do some videos on how you might do that. Question: will Webgility for e-commerce integration still work with QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale? The answer is no. The Webgility application for e-commerce integration will no longer work with QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale after October 3rd. Question: what if customers want to keep using QuickBooks Point of Sale? The answer is existing POS 19 customers can still use QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale software, but the product will no longer be supported by Intuit, and this means that they will no longer receive security patch updates, and payments and connected services will be discontinued. Well, with that, I will let you know that I am still recommending either of these 2 courses of action. You may click on the link to explore whether Shopify POS is not a good fit for you, check the box off, or maybe it is. Or you can follow my other link there and watch the third-party integrated card processor to see how easy that is to use and how it works. And this would allow you to get a few more years out of your QuickBooks POS software. This is Peter signing out. Thank you very much. Yeah.